I'm Ayandrali Dutta, editor Times Foodie. And today we are walking the streets of Humayunpur in Delhi, a hub that is specifically known for all Northeast delights. So to understand the nuances of the Northeastern cuisine, today we have with us Sneha Lata Saikia, an eminent home chef on Delhi.
Hello.
Welcome Sneha, how are you?
I'm good.
So Sneha, thank you for joining us on Times Foodie.
My pleasure.
Yes, and like this is the hub. What are your some of the favorite places that you come to pick when you have to cook for your guests and for your tables? What do you do?
So there are lots of stores here now open with Manipuris and
Right.
Naga people. One is very famous, Asha store is there. I'm going to take you there.
Right.
And there are many small shops are also, they have opened up now.
So if I have to ask you your top favorite 5 picks in terms of dishes across the cuisine, what would you choose your top 5 from different states?
From Nagaland, of course, I will take the pork curry
Okay.
with fermented bamboo shoot. And from Manipur, I love the salad sinju. And Meghalaya, their pork with black sesame and jado. And then, of course, in Assam, I love all of the dishes, but I would like to have maso tenga. In Mizoram, there is a very nice dish. It's like congee, so they call it bai. And in Tripura, any dish with fermented fish.
So talking about ingredients and different things, let's go and explore the Asha store then.
Sure.
It's right there.
Yeah.
And let's see what's in store at the store.
Yeah.
Let's just go. One of the most desired ingredient from the Northeast is akhuni. Let me show you what that is. Here we have our akhuni and Sneha is going to unveil it for us.
Yeah, so this is fermented soybean and they call it akhuni. It's the ingredient part of cuisine.
Yeah.
And this one is squash leaves.
Okay.
Squash, you know, it's a
Of course,
vegetable.
yeah.
So the leaves also, they just boil it and have it with the meal.
Unlike the perception that we have, we see a lot of greens that goes into the Northeast cuisine, including a lot of these condiments, chutneys and everything. And do they eat a lot of meat? But most of them are boiled and there's a lot of greens that goes into cooking of that meat and all of that. We have entered this beautiful store which is known to have some great Northeast ingredients that is used in cooking. So let me take a back seat and let her do all the talking and explain what all ingredients do we see here. There is so much that I see and I'm really inquisitive to know what and how do I use them.
I'll start from here.
Yeah.
This is dry bamboo shoot.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
it's preserved.
Okay.
So it can you can keep it for a longer time.
Okay.
And it's used in cooking chicken, pork. And this is air mushrooms. It's dried again because of the weather. So some states they just dry it and preserve it. So this is seeds of yonchak. Yonchak is a broad beans.
Okay.
I'm not remembering the English name of it. It's a beans, and then these are the seeds.
Okay.
Again, people make chutneys and or simple dal, or just add it in any veggie or any meat.
Those who don't know, these single pot garlics are an absolute delight. They are great health benefits, and I think we all should try these local organically grown single pot garlics. So I see Sneha holding a bunch of dry fish.
This is the Bombay duck.
Oh, this is the Bombay duck.
Yeah, so this is just sun dried,
Okay.
and people add it in chutney. Mostly people add it in chutney.
Okay.
And these are also shrimps, use it in chutney. This is sun dried, this is fried. And these are local river shrimps. So this is bamboo shoot, fresh bamboo shoot.
Bamboo shoot.
And in entire Northeast, this is the main ingredient, most common ingredient in entire Northeast cuisine. So next, this is Burmese coriander. This is very good in fragrance. So this is a root of a herb.
Okay.
So the leaves is like heart shaped,
Okay.
very strong. People cannot take the strong smell. And
Are the leaves also used in cooking?
the
or
leaves in
eating?
English it's called fish mint.
Okay.
We make fish curry with it. We add it in dal, but mostly we eat raw.
Wow.
And this is the roots of those leaves.
Okay.
And mostly this is made for chutneys. And this one is bitter brinjal.
Okay.
In Assamese we call it bhekuri tita.
Okay.
And these are very bitter but very good for health. So for the chutney, this chili is the main ingredient.
We have the star ingredient now.
Yes, this
which is literally ghostly in its own way.
though the red one is beautiful,
Yeah.
but now they have the green one with them. So this is king chili, bhut jolokia, naga chili, whatever you call. So this is the main ingredient for the spiciness because we don't use any other spice. So to heat up the curries or chutneys, we use this.
Yeah.
This is water lily seeds.
We can just take it
It's
out.
it has thorns. So inside, once you cut it, you will get the seeds.
Yeah.
So you need to boil it, and you can have it like that boiled or add ginger garlic and make a curry. So this one is raw betel nut and pan. So in Assam, we, out of respect, we offer this pan tamul to our elders and guests, and it's a tradition, and it's been eaten in all the northeastern states, and that's a time pass.